I found this snare drum stand at Goodwill. It's all just really filthy and rusty. Very, very dirty. But I think I can clean it up nicely. Probably get it to shine. And then this snare drum has a busted head. It's just all destroyed. Somebody definitely abused this. This is not a hitting side of the drum, so there's no reason for that. It's not a great brand of drums, but it's a good looking drum. Again, very dirty head here. Because this is chrome plated, I use some Brillo SOS pad. It's steel wool with soap, and it removes surface rust. Not real rust, but as you can see, it'll really get this cleaned up nicely. I just want all the parts to open and close smoothly, so there's not much trouble. Well, I'll tell you, warm water and soap really revitalized this black rubber. It's actually smooth and sticky again to grab the snare. And look at that chrome, how nice, huh? All right. Again, very clean and fresh and new. Look at that. Slides like gangbusters now. So I'm going to dry that off so it doesn't rust and put it somewhere very dry. Okay. Now that's something nice and clean that I won't be afraid to put on a rug or a nice clean floor. Good stuff. That cleaned up actually better than I thought it would. Looks like new. I really want to clean this drum, and there's all disgusting stuff inside the head here, so I'm going to take the head off altogether so I can clean the rim and clean the drum itself, and then I'll put a new head on here. And it's not a great drum to begin with, but if it's clean and has good heads on it and I tune it up, it's going to sound really nice. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see this? There's all dust and just disgusting stuff on the inside of that rim and on this head. This head is so bad, it's weathered and beat that if I throw this out and put a new head on, it'll seem like new. So now I'm just cleaning the outside of the drum with a damp paper towel. See, when you see that kind of brown discoloration come off of the plastic, to me that means that there was a smoker who smoked around this instrument. I saw that happen with the keyboard once. I cleaned the white keys with a damp paper towel that had a little bit of Windex on it, and I was kind of amazed at how much brown nicotine came off of there, or tar, whatever it is. There's actually like stuck on food on here. So this drum and hardware was in dire need of a good cleaning. See, we want this clean and smooth and free of any garbage or crud, because that's where the drum head is going to seat, and it has to sound right. Okay, so we'll use a Remo head. So that's funny. It looks like the last head was on this way. But what I like to do, I like this to be just to my left, right here. So I'm going to set it up this way. All right. So that I can get to this or the damper. Okay, that works for me. Just put that on. Seems good. Look at that, nice and clean inside there. So that'll give us a nice clean edge. Same deal. The head is awful, so. Now we've got the head loose, but we have to take the snares off so I can get that rim off, and I want to clean it too. It's, again, very rusty and caked with dirt and who knows what on the inside. The bottom's not as bad as the top, dirt-wise, but if you look, it's totally destroyed. Somebody hit it. You can see drumstick marks. I don't know why you would hit the bottom head, but they hit it until they broke it. You know how kids are. They don't know what the f they're doing. Okay, so let's take this off. Leave the snares here. So this rim, as you see, just is very dirty and disgusting on the inside. And this is awful. So we'll take that off today. And that is for the garbage. I just want to clean the rim where the head will seat and keep it free of debris. And also you can see there's like a dirty, dusty ring around here that will affect the beauty of the drum. Do you see that? Why not just have it clean and beautiful? I know it's only a CB700 drum, but this drum could look and play like new if you treat it that way. Remo Ambassador snare head, and it says right on there that's for the snare side. These are the snares, these wires that lay across. So now we're ready to put this on. Once that's on there, very gently, we'll get the rim, which I just cleaned, and we'll reassemble it. If you saw how much dirt and rust and just disgusting stuff came off of this rim, you would be amazed. It's so much cleaner now, and that's what we want. Nice, clean, obstacle-free. So I have to line this up so the snares will go through here, and we'll be in business. In fact, I even cleaned this, which you'd be surprised how much dust and dirt was on it. So we'll feed this through the snare mechanism here and tighten the screws, and we'll be good to go. You want to tighten it in a star pattern so that it seats evenly. Alright, I don't want to go too tight right off the bat. I just want to make sure it's nice and spongy and tight and good. As we're going here, I like to press down and stretch the head a little bit, make sure it's seated properly and evenly. I've seen videos of guys when they're putting heads on their toms, they're actually jumping on them, they're standing on the head. I don't think it has to be stretched that much, but that helps you put it in a perspective of what needs to be done. Okay. This drum is now so much cleaner than when we got it totally clean inside and out. And new heads, beautiful. Nice finish.